how to create a username and password validation using conditional statement na if-else. So, kailangan mag-input yung user ng username and password. Yung username dapat ay admin and ang password dapat ay 12345. Then, mag-print dapat siya ng login successfully. Else, pag hindi ganun yung in-input ng user, dapat invalid credential siya. So, just first, papa-input natin yung user ng kanyang username. Input username. Input password. Then, if yung user double equal, if yung user nag-input ng admin and yung password ay, palitan natin ng variable since fix siya. Password ay 12345 colon sa dulo. Ipiprint neto is login successful. Else, pag hindi ganun ang in-input ng user, magpiprint to ng invalid credentials. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, kulang ng isa pa. Then, try natin i-run. Ang first muna natin i-try is yung invalid credentials. So, DSA, di naman yung tama. Invalid. Try ulit natin yung right way. Username admin, since ayun nakalagay sa condition. At yung password naman, it should be 12345 unless mag-i-invalid credential siya. Since tama naman, magla-login successful yung program natin.